songs every time I feel down.
He puke ngā waiata, he puke ngā puoro.
You're still around.
Waihoki ko Sharon Russell tērā, te whetū o te ao country.
I didn't even start singing, to be fair, till I was in my late 20s. The result of singing at a party, as you do. And someone said, you should come to my mother's country music club. And I did. And then one thing led to another, so I started going into the country music awards.
Kua riro i a Russell te waru o ngā taonga ki te whakawhiwhinga gold guitars ki Aotearoa nei. Ko tāna hiahia i tēnei tau, kia tū ki te taha o tāna mokopuna, a Josh.
What made this year's New Zealand Gold Guitar Award so special in your eyes?
My grandson, Josh, because I wasn't going. I had already decided that I was not going to go this year, that I'd been going long enough and different things happened and I thought, nah, I'm not going to go. And then Josh decided that he would put together a band and tender for one of the backing band positions at the Gold Guitars, and he got it. And I thought, well, there's no way I'm not going now.
I think there's a lot, but I think the biggest part's probably the connection you feel on stage that kind of makes the performing a lot easier. You know, you get up there by yourself and you've got to give everything you have, but it's just you to do that.
Ko tēnei waiata, ka noho pū mau ki te manawa o te whānau nei. Hei tohu maumahara ki tā rātou kura pui pui aki, a Daniel.
So Daniel was 26 and he was killed in a mining accident over in Kalgoorlie in Australia in 2009. And so that's why I say music is powerful, because as a parent, that's not a phone call I would wish on anybody. I had never planned to share that song. That was personal. Every line in that song is personal. I wrote it for me and hoping that, you know, I'd just have it for us, for our whānau.
I was one of the lucky ones of my family and my younger brothers because I did get to meet Daniel. So I think I connect to that song because I did, and I know some of them didn't. But I also sometimes find that song quite hard because of the fact that although I did, you know, get to meet him, I can't remember, you know.
Ko te mahi I naia nei, ko te whakamaori I ngā waiata.
It kind of was always just something I wanted to do. It started quite early on, a little bit less country music wise when I was at NCEA. So I think the first time I asked Uncle Tahu to translate was If I Ain't Got You by Alicia Keys, and loved it.
Sharing music and connecting with the audience, because that's what it's about. And of course, now being able to take that step back and watch my moko, who is doing incredible things, it's all been worth it.
Ka hoki a Sharon me tāna whānau ki te whakawhiwhinga gold guitars hei tērā tau, hei kai waiata. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo